we will be going live shortly. I'm just getting set up right now. Alrighty. Welcome back. Probably didn't miss me, but I'm here and I'm here to stay. Let's see. Today we're gonna be making a new robbery system. I'll probably get more in depth than that pretty soon, in a minute or so. Making sure everything's good to go. Nothing's on fire. How's everybody's day going? Get out of here. Alrighty. So, like I said, today we're gonna be making a robbery system. Um, Not just only a robbery system. We're gonna be adding probably gonna be making a leader stats script. So it's just gonna have leader stats. So we'll have a money system going. Then we'll set up our wanted system with the robbery system, and behind me I've kind of already started, but we're gonna end up moving all this to main game anyway, so it doesn't matter. But I'll probably just display this first and show you what it's gonna do, and then I'll show you for all the nerds, I'll show you guys how it works. Personally, my favorite part. So yeah. So here we have a proximity prompt. If you don't know what that is, it's this. Basically, you just hold it down and, but yeah, let's hold it down. Boom. Now we're wanted. And you guys can't see this, but I can. It sends a notification here. Really cool system. But yeah. We're basically just gonna mess around with that until I get something I like. And after you reset, this wanted thing should go away. Oh, little sneaky peekies. Alrighty. But yeah, for all the nerds out there, how this works is the proximity prompt basically just has a script inside of it under this folder. And all it does is gets replicated storage, gets the folder, and it basically, whenever it's triggered, it duplicates the wanted part, which does more magic. I'll get into that. And it basically just sets it to workspace, sets it to a character's position. After 10 seconds, it destroys it, but it makes the character wanted. And this is a whole system. I'm not going to get too into it, but here's a little sneaky peeky. It's using data stores and a whole bunch of other shit. Excuse my language. Oh yeah, this is a family-friendly stream. Should have made that clear. But yeah. And then we'll also be making it so when you do this, it'll give you some cash. So it should be fun. I'll probably jump into the other studio. And then we will probably just get started. So let's see. I'll save this. Get out of there. Go to here. You guys aren't seeing anything new. This is all public stuff. Only Captain knows about this one. This is the OG new arc. Before this one was made, we had the original. This is when, I don't even think Captain was around for it. This is when I was working on it by myself. By the way, if you guys haven't already, go join the Discord server. Gotta plug it every stream. Just a thing I do. Alright, and we're back. So, what's new in here? Let's see, I've been messing around with some terrain, so you'll start seeing more, I guess, what would the word be? Textured terrain around the map, hopefully. Some stuff like this, or subtle stuff like this, or rocks and stuff, just randomly placed around, just to give the map more texture. Hope I'm using that word right. I don't really know. So, alright, where do you think we should set up our first place to get robbed? Like, should we do like a subway? Should we do I don't know if this one has an inside. No, it doesn't. I think it might just be Subway, which is just the OG place. Unless we could do it over here, but I'd probably just want to get the system perfected. So yeah, I think that's what we'll do. We'll probably just set up the system for now, and then after that, we'll start implementing it. Yeah, so this is the part we need. Throw that into workspace. Throw that into replicate storage. I can do folder. Wanted parts. Take this guy, throw it into there. Boom. Alright. Should I just make it from scratch? Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So we'll just, I'll show you guys how I made this. Throw down a part right here. Doesn't have to look fancy because it's gonna be invisible either way. Make a new folder in here. Oh. Cut. Let's go. Why is there so much random shit? Yeah. New folder. Name it to, robberies, I guess. Oh. Oh, shit. Alright, whatever. New part. Anchor. Cut. And paste into. Perfect. Good enough for me. Alright, now we're gonna take this part. I'm probably gonna do this pretty fast. Let's just name it Grubway. Proximity prompt. Go. Just name it Raw Prox. Gotta keep everything organized somewhat. Rob register. So the thing I like about proximities is they're very, very customizable. So what we can do is if it's a register, we can name it Rob register, which how this looks in game is, this is gonna take a minute. How this looks in game is it basically just shows two texts and then like a little like a circle around the button you have to hold down, or if you're on mobile it'll just say like click or some shit. Just click and hold it. Yeah. This looks like that. Ignore how shitty the game looks right now. Nothing's loaded in. Also, sneaky peeky, new weather system coming to the game. But yeah, this is how it looks. And then we'll just be able to take the cash. Boom. And run away. A little sneaky peeky. Might as well. Very, very cool system. That's enough of that. Can't leak all of it. Alright. So now we'll just throw a script into here. We'll name it Alright, now we'll just declare our variables. Alright, then you want to declare the procs and the script just in case. So local procs equals script.parent. Local rob part equals procs.parent. There we go. And that should be all we need, really. Now, coming from a scripter, if you are a scripter, then you know the most annoying thing to have when you're making something is you have it doesn't work and you don't know why. It might just be me, but it's definitely one of the top tier most annoying things ever. So we're just gonna do some basic, like, I don't know what the word would be, error catching or some shit. Whatever. So we're gonna do an if variable. So if wanted parts, then print found folder. Else warn folder not found. And basically what this will do is once you load into game, if the folder is found, the wanted parts folder, which is in replicate storage, so this one, if it's found, then good to go. And if it's not, then it'll send a error in the output and it will tell us that the folder has fucked off and gone somewhere else, which it shouldn't, but just in case. So let's get into it now. So I'm gonna take our procs, which we declared up there, and we're gonna go triggered. Don't actually trigger a procs. If you get the joke, then you're smart. Let's see. What the fuck? Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. It's pretty cool. So yeah, so what we want to do is you want to duplicate the wanted part, and then we're just going to set it to that. So yeah, local WP clone equals, and then we're going to go wanted parts, wait for child, then we're going to go WP template clone. So now we have a clone. What this is it takes the thing in replicate storage and it just duplicates it. It's honestly pretty cool. Pretty simple though. And now that I'm thinking about it, it would actually be a lot nicer if we had parts. So let's put down here actually equals procs parent parent. So it'd be procs, then it'd be the part, then it'd be that, or yeah, and then it'd be too many parents. So, yeah. 2 parents. Some people might think that's messy, but honestly, I could care less. Next thing you want to do, just gonna go up here and just, we're gonna edit the clone. So we'll go clone.name equals then we're gonna go rob part.name. So it's just gonna change the name of the actual wanted part to which wanted part it's for, so once again it's just organized. And then clone, we're gonna set the guess we should probably, I'll just say anchored. And then clone, we're gonna set the position or the C frame. Yeah, we're gonna set the C frame to it would be cframe.new, right? Yeah. So we'll go cframe.new player or character humanoid root part position. And what this does is it basically just teleports that part to wherever the player is, wherever they trigger the procs. So even if they try running away, they'll more than likely clip it still. Well, now we'll just set can collide to, or fuck me. Then we'll set the transparency to 1 so it's invisible. And then we'll do then clone destroy. Then print wp clone.name or actually what we could do is we'll just change it up a bit so I still go destroying. Yeah. Then we'll just add another test.wait, and we'll set to 1 second. Or 0.5. And this should work. So, like I said while explaining it, what the script does is whenever the proc is triggered, it clones the wanted part, which is the part that makes the player wanted and all that. Then it sets the position, and then sets the details of it. And then after it's done doing what it does, it just kills itself. That's probably not a friendly thing to say on Roblox. It destroys itself. Sorry, YouTube. But let's test it out. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't, womp womp. I don't know. So if you remember, we added the error catching or decoding or bug finding, whatever you want to call it. So we should be able to go through here and find that folder or something. If it loaded correctly. Yeah, folder found right there. So everything should be working. That's what that tells me basically. Oh, we already do have layer stats. What do you know? And it's not working. Let's see what broke. I know the problem, guys. Silly, silly me. I'm a dumbass. So we made this new folder, but guess what? We never used it, did we? So we're gonna set this WP clone.parent equal to WP folder. Would you look at that? And now, after we do that, it should just work. I low-key forgot about that. Because if it's in replicate storage, then it can't be touched. But the script was still working. See, this is why we use decoding. Basically just explains it. And if you didn't have decoding, you could probably figure it out, but it might take you a minute. Maybe that's just me. So, yeah, there we go. Now we're wanted. Yippee! I thought it didn't work for a second. I was gonna cry. I got so scared. And once again, it logged the arrest. Oop. There we go. Logged the arrest. So the system is working. So next thing I want to do, let's figure out these leader stats. Why not? Holy lag. We gotta take care of that. Glad that works. Honestly, a really simple system. So let's figure this out. Oop. So this is where the cache is. So this would be the player stats. So money. This is for the paycheck system. Ignore me dropping shit in the background. I might have to mess with that later because I don't really know much about this system. Because it's a custom system we use for the money. And I don't really know what the leader stats is right now. Because normally you would just go, it's a folder inside the player. Which, I mean, we could check actually. I kind of remembered that. There's a whole lot going on in here. I gotta go through this. Holy. We don't even have ACS. That's how you know there's too much going on. You don't even have an ACS gun system anymore. You don't use it. Oh yeah, I forgot it saves when you leave. You gotta reset or die. Or off yourself. That's probably not any better, is it? Make sure I don't leak anything important. Oh. Yeah, go figure. It's right there. So if we go into here, players, leader stats, could set this to 5, whatever the hell that is. Go back, 5 out. Okay. So, yeah, let's mess around with that, should we? Alright, so we'll just go into here. We'll go, okay. Yeah, we'll go. Let's say 100 to 500. And then we'll go. So it would be player dot. What was it? Player dot leader stats? Right? What does this player lead to? Player dot. Yeah. So if this shows player scripts, it doesn't. Yeah. Player wait for child. Then we're gonna go leader stats. we're just gonna do a double check on this. So basically what I just wrote up was a quick little line of decoding, which basically just, it's gonna check if I got the right location for the folder, or right everything. So if it can't find the leader stats, then it will say it couldn't. So I'm guessing we gotta wait a minute for the thingy to delete, and then it should, yeah, folder found, right there. Destroying Grubway. Alright. Leader stats and that money. Alright. So now we'll just finish it off, and what I just want to do is I'll just add that random number there. Alright, so equals and that should do it. What am I forgetting to do, guys? Let's see. Let's see if Roblox can help me. It's saying I did it right. But then you got this thing disagreeing with it. Let's use Roblox AI here. Excuse you? Huh. It's cool. Why is this erroring? Chat, what am I forgetting? I don't think my internet's down. No, my internet shouldn't be down. Oh, okay, guys. That was pretty gay sounding. They did change it. Okay. So I don't need this extra line anymore. Or what? What am I forgetting, guys? Hello? This is the right code. I know it is, because you're taking the... Hey guys, you guys want to see an idiot? Watch my stream. Wait. No. Cause what am I forgetting to do? I know exactly what I'm forgetting to do. I made a beginner fucking mistake. A tired person's mistake. And it's only 9 o'clock. Holy shit. We're struggling, chat. We are struggling. Let's see. Let's see if I did make this dumb mistake. Yeah. Yeah, so I didn't make a dumb mistake. So basically what I forgot is with every value you have an actual value, so we're trying to change, or we're trying to add something to the name of it. which doesn't make sense. Wait for leader stats, and then we're gonna go, oh, wait for child. Money. Dot. What'd I just do? Dot value. And look at that, the error's gone. Wow. So now this will work. And I know it will, because... So... yeah. Go figure. It was a dumb part on my end. Or dumb mistake on my end. So let's see. Yep. Then, let's see after it ends. Yeah, it added the random amount. So it said Plixie has earned 117 from robbing Grubway. Wow. So we're basically just gonna move these two lines up and before. So now, yeah. There we go. That part's done. And I guess now let's go implement this. So now all you have to do is just duplicate this part and change the name of it. And the script should be able to do the rest. So let's see. Yeah, everything should be working, but I'll double check it. But yeah, I'm still wanted, so just look at the cash and we'll see if it changes. And yeah, it did. And I got $354 from it. Which realistically, I don't know what Grubway I'm robbing, but you get the point. And it would have made me wanted, and there's an old rob system there. What the fuck? Apparently there's an old rob system in here. I don't know where it is, but it's lurking, I guess. Apparently. And now, but just keep going. Second thing we're gonna do, just duplicate or make this transparent. And actually, I know he's watching, so Captain, if you wouldn't mind just throwing like a register down or something there. Let's go duplicate this. And we'll go put it, why not across the street? So this will be another demonstration. Set to jewel store, then we'll just edit this prox. Now for this, you could probably make it something probably more advanced, honestly, if but are we gonna do that? Not right now. Probably not tonight. Yeah. So what we could do eventually is just make all those disappear and then reappear. But we're not gonna do that tonight. I'm tired. But yeah. So now we got this there. Oh. Yeah. So now we can come over here, break the glass and take the jewels. And it still works. Oh. We earned how much? 319. More realistic. Now we could really go in depth with the system. We can add a data store, so you can add a cooldown, so you could do a lot. If you had a cooldown, then you could just like, I don't know, just make it so can't rob another place for a couple minutes or so. That'd be pretty nice. Maybe in the future, but probably make a custom proximity prompt. I don't really know much about those. If it's just like custom. Yeah, see, I don't understand that. I don't get how that works. Which one is that for? Let's see what that did. Oh, custom just makes it so it's not visible. Yeah, I'll probably figure out that and then go mess around with that later. Or tomorrow or some shit. I don't know. But yeah, that's the robbery system. Or one of them. Got some more to come, but that's the first one, I guess. I'll probably place those around. This is how the police department's going. This was our last stream. Getting a lot of walls in. Just slow process. Perfection is the best, so taking a while. If you know how to make liveries for like ERLC or on Roblox, hit my line. Guy that I was talking to for liveries is something. Let's see what he's up to over here. I see him making new stuff. Let's see what he's breaking. I forgot about that. We're gonna have a new vehicle system, aren't we? That should be cool. I don't know. Give me suggestions on what you guys would like to see added. Or like to see me make. But I think I'll probably wrap up stream actually, because I don't know, I'm tired. Got work tomorrow and stuff. But to finish off the night, I'll probably mess around with some terrain, and if I go live tomorrow or something, then you'll see me back at it. Something new. But till then, I guess. And if I don't see you again, good afternoon. good evening, and good night.